Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Today I'm standing on an all-new Aquila 36 power catamaran. This particular one is one of the fastest on the market because it has the 400 horsepower supercharged Mercury Verados, half-height windshield. This boat really can cruise through the water. You see here pointing out a couple features. Great amount of seating in the cockpit. Have the grill right there. Got a mirror, check yourself out. Sink. Wash your hands. Wash whatever, actually. Fridge down beneath me. Over here in the helm, you notice that this has the mocha interior, which is really nice tan color. Equipped with a Raymarine unit right there. Joystick docking, of course, takes all the stress out of docking. Make anybody a pro at the marina or wherever you're at. Moving on up towards the bow. Open this. See, we're going to have mirroring staterooms, 2 stateroom boat, 2 head boat. Want to follow me down here? Your breaker panel right there, tell you everything you need to know. Really nice bed right there, spacious, not going to feel crowded, and your head's going to be to the aft of the boat. Follow me up to the bow. In my opinion, this is what truly separates the 36 Aquila from every other bow rider in the market. Look at all of the space up here. Of course, you see that you can transform it to do whatever, whether you want a sun pad or you want forward and rearward facing seats. The sky's really the limit. Once again, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. This is an Aquila 36 power catamaran. Come on down and get your own personal tour, or even call us and schedule a virtual showing online. Bye, guys.